was a gay. Mentally, you move it. Almost there, why me feel one was in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
The journey is so breakthrough. Say ya. No one say baby be I she be I pentamat nasi free say no see any farbo Adum TV ye china so edit the journey April and then so ye share I will say me da wase say baby I would you bread snacks na wo hwedwumadi and then menya a fashion icon kese bi pa media me can say enye TikTok and enye Instagram and enye Facebook omo time no nti say na we ye bibi kakra bi na ya notice no omo pave way pa ama ne fashion so ekoso a na je say e wo say ye twe no ede ne ba na bra ya bre no ayenya no wo fi ha ne de na nnadwumadi ne ebe ye strong kokora na ansa na meda ne de no mame nda aboafo ase se na wotwe bia omuguso ai kura ye mu na de jeni eguso a ekoso ye mo bibia so akwaba ai 2023 ye gina mu ye ko ne ni se nyamenti obekura ya ma bibia aye kama mame nda aboafo ase eye time herbal mixture o se malaria de wadu any time we time no na the give us clean care lip tomato paste na nso foforo kra so ama efie say no no bia enom eye Andes natural mineral water omo any nedua herbal mixture time HH also immune system eye important in this immune system no ebema nipadua na function world ya mesrew ukodwa so a ukọ pharmacy a ukọ drugstore de obebisa eye time HH na bibia aye kama empanyufoi any Adum TV and aso memu na me djumadi ibro me twa me home ba je beda me di
Abusia for ma munyina kwa aba e de ba time heba ye ne adwumaku a ye de time heba mesha aba ana afi ye de time HH heba mesha eye immune system support ye de aba na onum aduro ya eboa e ma broni beka se white blood cells ne red blood cells no eboa e ma na tumi eye adwuma soronko e de ma de be hia ma se oba num bi na bebubu bi da tumi aboa o na ebra wo ba wo num sa aduro no na eboa na sensio amo ayo ba sima penfo so banyansane ebunu be na yenkana sana be ma so no onu no bi nso eboa eyi nsansan nyina de free be ma ho e de ma obo abo sina emu hyehye na ho dwa no na asemo bi ene nam no ho no uyisu tam HH haba me hye bi a e ade a ebetumi aboa bowra drasto e ba so fo so show bi a okwa wo so pe tam HH haba me sha people's choice won sabe kan bi
Mensenye dia nanka malaria ya me pasa ada mutu mi mwame
no yi mami
menye dru
oh yeah
your friend nye dia herbal mixture eye malaria dro papa so wo hospital na hu se malaria mo woni bi wo moje mu a kopenya dua herbal mixture ebe su malaria nyina wonu mu ato a nyanya dua herbal mixture wonu mu beyo kama na wo bedi ke batama
mami
si wa worry si ho
yeah
no bi so mami
na mami ba ko pe na ode mami
ko herbal shop dodo name sabeka bi
me de begia ware na nkasa nye dua herbal mixture
dua ye dro
ebusiafo ma me kan yampa hwederi a me kuno wo si bi hwie duane no hwehwe nye dua herbal mixture na wanom ede ama me abofra wonni mfie dumie no ana opemfo entumi mfa se edure nye dua herbal mixture bro duane
di ya hwehwe edwadie yin krato agye atomu se eye
ya kwajin kratso aba oguswa ehwede Jenny ewo Adum TV ena me guest no ye mame ye nunya oye batan oye entrepreneur philanthropist kikabom fashion icon Belinda Baidoo edi a wo bona wan to wo boa ena ye nya no ha mame akwaba
ye nua apomwe
oko hey Michelle was it top model But what they can? Why you now calling Pacha?
It was Top Model Africa.
Yes. And then now we was so that time no. Our your bar na uwasano. Say na etie.
It was different. It was different because back then, no say, yeah, especially Africans or Ghanaians, and young wabi brave. Did they be a nice on kwana watum? Well, school near TZU, a lengelenge, a longo springe. It didn't be brave, few but me winning competition wa me do Abidjan. There were girls coming from all over Africa. See, I started seeing myself in some of the girls in terms of their height. No, you were the same height, or you will be. We have something in common. You will be
Esse.
Yeah. Thank you.
And then
yes, me sorry. Yeah, you'll be esse. Inti, me so me a bit more relaxed. Yeah, me a bit more relaxed in terms of I'm at the right place, and yeah.
Inti competition bena o wini e Ghana Hansa wo call Abidjan.
Me competition I'm winning your friend Top Model Africa. This happened around 1998.
Okay.
And me call Ivory Coast to represent Ghana, and from there that's where they picked the top 5, and I was one of them. So that's how the whole journey started.
So before this competition, no, hina na wo, hina ye wo, wani Belinda, and we are singing now.
Belinda was just a normal young girl growing up here in Accra. My mother was a trader. My mom did women be obeton. Bidie, Kobe, beef, ding. We moved from one place to another place, from our own home to sharing a single 1-bedroom, which is 6 of us. To I'm getting a bit emotional now because all of this, because she's not alive to enjoy what
TV.
You understand? Yeah. I mean, she got to see a bit, most of it, but so my upbringing was just a normal. I wouldn't even say middle income. we were not even no. You know, so yeah.
Wow. Into school or wasa?
Debut, me papa free asenkwega.
Okay.
Me mommy free, you free takrade energy secondary.
Okay.
But you move back Accra when I was about 8 years old.
Okay.
Me school money there, me nya opportunity anko papa bia. Yeah, I think my whole life I spent about 4 or 5 years going to school. Yeah. My mommy ton ade, into 7 in ton ade near to me didi. And my sister Penny and I say, "Mini, I'm going to be to school. Oko school, we are, and upon Ocoton idea, Oko school and opa, upon Beton idea. Say, here says, so one year ton idea, won't go school, be cry. At least school fees, no crying to me to your son near Tiffy. Wow, near Tiffy. So that's how that my chassis, no.
Wow, and now, no, oh, baby, there was this, billboard be an answer where you are which a dear medicine was so by this.
Thank you. Oh, yes, the scar. Yeah.
The way on my hair or hair, no. This was really standing out.
Thank you.
Is it makeup and one of the big companies? No.
Yeah, I mean, this one of the best pictures I've ever taken. I think it's black and white, right?
Yes.
It's iconic. Yeah, in natural hair.
Wow.
Keith Major is one of the best photographers in America, and they wanted to.
Because you're bold.
Yes.
Oh, picture now. This is what you see.
No, I think it's a year kids work.
How?
No, never.
Okay.
Never. You know, I never change anything about me. Right now, I mean, I have on braces. I'm just me. You know, makeup. No.
Okay.
Okay. But I never wanted to change anything about me. My breast, I'm happy with it. My norm, because this is how I pay my bills. Say it as a model, this is how you have to look like. So.
And there is this saying, some models, no, no muna. Is it that you're selling the clothes by
Maybe somebody like me, I'm a very focused person. But when you get to know me, I'm the girl you want to hang out with. You understand? Just like anywhere. Living in New York, no, so for a long time because New York, the sharp pace.
Wow.
But obi we a designer na wa family adwuma na when I be catch am say bia na runway no so asre and a man sre and I say be serious or be sexy or be that.
Wow.
You know, but we tend to be a bit
It's like
disciplined. Yeah, very disciplined.
wow. It's Moko through all that process.
In the beginning, yes, but as time goes on, now we share. You know, it's just experience. I think it comes with time.
There is this program, and I'm sure one kasa and I would buy for some time now, which I because na and that's what because when tea any young go for biswa, obu ani kuro mukra. I can say domestic where you cry won't fire be that. But woman need to coin na more get it privilege or more meet you know outside designers near day all of a sudden shim and this thing was doing so well. I was very sad one. Wow. Yes. I follow you so I know everything you do. And all of a sudden shim, what happened?
Yenjai, we'll do it again, which is Belinda Baidoo Model Search Africa.
Yes, yes.
Yenjai, get no winning or no core no one boy. After 3 months, no, we can't wait with TV so that we were all just waiting in second season. Then we start with that. Okoye on a 3 years contract. After 3 months, they sent her back. Ye book in a jumano say so do 11 o'clock. We do 2. Almost 1 month.
Yes.
Na your friend Belinda, we need to say na mapacho, we need to say na mapacho. Me and I'm nene ko Italy. Me time no bien so me money me antina plane mu. Me family ne told me tickets. Me time me family ne told me take me brother, me auntie, me ma me na we turn into man na we say because they were so excited say bibi say e we ye busum na ye cry ye nim say this is the kind of a person we have in our family. Into me winning contracts now, we saw the opportunity, you know, whatever my family had to do to get me to leave the country to travel, and they did. Abayua we me need to kwai me bibia because I've lived it and I know how it is. Menene ko restaurant, ebia agency, you know, sometimes someone mu pay dinner na say bibi so fuck me so say. Me dane me no. And our bro so catch us say na say we do her. This is the time you have to be there. Just like what you are doing now.
Yeah.
If everybody show up on time, now we'll show up about 4 hours later.
No, me serious. So
because of that, they sent her back. And that wasn't the reason why we haven't done it again. But it did affect, it's part of it. Yeah, and I COVID soon. We will, yeah, but yeah, the paper. We some me a bad time. It's some show me home, and some show me in color. For only did 12.
Back in about 2.
Yes, a boy and a girl. Yeah.
Did I been for forever?
Oh, my sister, why? I wash it down. David.
Hey, about 2 Saturdays or
Mary.
Wow.
Mary. I think our generation, we have to think. We have to look among our means before we go and give birth.
Yeah.
The education I didn't have, the life I wasn't able to have at my childhood, I want to be able to give them that opportunity. Minka say man call 4, man call
but check you means no so you can provide.
Yeah, and you don't necessarily have to go and give birth to 6 kids. The 2 no. No, it's the same love. There's so much love in my house. You have no idea. You know,
you know, social media.
I try not to put a lot, but yeah, my tempting.
We have to because I saw more joy. Aside modeling, I also was shop.
Yes, please.
I was on it. Me too. You be crowd. Me should be. Yeah, top me.
You have to come and visit. We have to do lunch.
I have to.
We have to do lunch.
All around Okomangos.
To see your next to Starbucks. So we still have the Osu one. Our main one is Osu, opposite Buka restaurant now.
Okay.
And then I am pinning for them to tell me Belinda me free Trasako Bell Quine one he say so we opened one before near war Mangwasi Lane, but this year you were next to Starbucks.
Oh, okay. Oh, busy.
And Belinda Baidoo boutique, you know. Edini says
Edina be crew obetwen kakra ama me minim se wo ho wani age wo sua de na so ye twa ye ho ye basi.
Time, ladies.
say you're malaria. When I'm not too for I'm too so time herbal make sure malaria. When I'm not too for I'm too so time herbal make sure. Time herbal make champion, fever draw, booking con, upon me dear draw, tatache, and one time ever make sure, time ever make onyem ne nneoma no phone abofra ondi mfie no entimi mfedro yi
hospital anasa lab me anya a 3-day mu nhwehwemu ansa na wetimi anomedro yi bi
kayo set time no e time
FDA agi adwade nkratoa yi atum
tomato mix na mo dey area I don't want to leave tomato mix in Ghana. Yankwe.
Oh, this is what I call Adriana.
Secret Nani LEAP. Lip. Someone who needs a leaf tomato mix there. It was superb and palatable taste. No so there were large and small sizes for choppers, restaurants, and if you feel.
This advert is FDA approved.
Hi, darling.
What be a high fee and Timaco to carpet, bro?
Miss Sako give us multi-purpose cleaner. And how are you?
How you from Papa?
Wow, you should terrazzo and a rubber carpet. Now wait me use.
Mammy, give us multimedia cleaner.
Hey, give us multi-purpose cleaner. Give us liquid detergent. And no nama high I'm saying.
Wow, why you dead?
But I say, oh! Don't worry. Give us Roseau na that romantic. What time you better house is here? Give us Roseau. I'm a young here to say wine.
It's in a doing.
Give us Roseau with the senior ma. And many crojin. And yan na ewa Ghana ha. Sa wo pedudu etu. Obet me afraid give us clean care. Ewa 0543 222 470.